are now entering Fastoon. Touching down in 5, 4. Oops, 3, 2, 1.
Alright, Chief. What can we do you for?
I'm going to completely upgrade.
Upgraded.
And okay. So now I'm going to upgrade the Shock Ravager. More bolts, more ammo.
Bada bing, bada boom. Bada bing, bada boom. Bada bing, bada boom.
Oh, more damage. Okay.
It looks like something terrible happened here.
What the... Where is everyone?
I tried to tell you, Ratchet. The database said this planet was deserted ages ago.
Clank, you see that? It's an old ship.
Very old, it would seem.
We have to fix her.
Ratchet, we must be practical. Tachyon will find the pod's flight codes. He will be here any minute.
Clank, please. I need to fix her.
Oh, very well.
A virtual diagnostic of this spacecraft confirms 6 missing components necessary for intergalactic travel. Happy hunting.
Happy hunting. Why, thank you. I don't even remember where the pieces are. What the hell are these guys? Oh, there are some generators for these guys. Die already. Dude. I think this is a piece. Yay! I'm about to die. I think there's a segment to play as Clank in this level. Not really sure, but I think there is. Wait a second, don't kill me. It would be awesome if I could destroy this shit. Okay. Nah. It only gave me one nanotech. Dude! These generators are strong as hell. In this game it's called swing shot, not the hyper shot like in Ratchet and Clank 3. Yay, my health got upgraded. Watch out with those bombs, buddy. They can hurt, you know. Oh, there's one up there. I'm going to change inventory. It's not inventory, gadgets. Yes. They occupy too much space. I'm going to equip these. I wanted to upgrade the weapon, but it seems it won't be. No. I think this part is to play as Clank. Yeah.
The entrance to this raritanium mine is too small for the both of us. Perhaps I should investigate.
How many pieces do I have? 3. 3 left then. I suppose with Clank I'll only get 1 probably. I want this finally. And all it does boxes, they destroy themselves for no apparent reason.
Hold your breath, Clank.
Okay, seems
Looks
legit.
Like we're going for a dip.
Okay, let me go underwater. Probably there's something. Oh crap! Didn't notice that. Wasn't seeing that coming. Oh, come on. Here it is. 2 more then. These rocks look like they can be destroyed by a thing we get a bit further in the game. If they can, well, this is the first time I noticed that. I know, but they really seem they can be broken. Oh, come on. Well, at least I have... yeah, at least I have... Let me check my map. Where did I go? Can't I zoom in? I can zoom out, but I can't zoom in. Amazing. That piece, I suppose, it's with Clank. Oh, the other one must be there. Oh, it leveled up again. Okay, finally. These are really hard to destroy.
Congratulations! You have received an interstellar holovite from...
Finnegan O. Quartzilla.
Well, what was the hell? What the hell was that thing about the invitation? If I didn't know, I would say that was Quark. Okay, now the last one. That's with Clank.
Destroy what?
We have a lot to show you. Zoni.
Oh, the Zoni follow us. I didn't really remember about this detail. Levitation. Wait a second, you guys must wait here. No, you guys must... Okay. R1 to slow time. Oh, I can slow time with R1. Well, you could have said that earlier. Well, time distortion things really start on this game. Didn't really know about that. Kind of forgot. Select levitate. What? It just follow. Oh god, I'm so stupid. I'm retarded sometimes. Zoni, follow me.
Zoni.
Damn, I didn't really play this game in a long time. I forgot so many things about it. Levitate. Oh, these give me Raritanium. Can't I simply glide? Yeah, I can. What the hell? Why didn't I need to do levitate?
Remember your dreams.
It looked like he was dead. This really needs. Looks like I need to levitate. Ah, fail. Again from the start.
Zoni.
These here only die with one hit, as with Ratchet. Damn. It takes so long to kill them. I think the Zoni are fascinating. Manipulate. But where's the manipulate? No, here it is. That hit point that I lost was so fail.
According to our database,
Who
you
will
now
return?
have all the parts necessary to restore your ship to working order. Thanks for using Gadgetron's virtual diagnostic service. Your account will be billed within 3 working days.
Here we are, and it's time to restore the ship.
Okay, I think we have all the parts we need. Let's get to work. This. Yes? Yes! It's working!
Miserable little prophet. I can't believe they used Ticker Arrow. What a bunch of cheese. Oh, a Lombax. I thought I'd never see one again. Thanks for repairing me.
Tachyon carved up the city with his army of Drothids. It was a cruel act of retaliation. If only he had known how evil the Cragmites were. Oh, if they had won the Great War, the entire universe would have fallen under their terrible rule. Unpleasant, dreadful, dreadful, dreadful little creatures from planet Zurich. Tachyon bought their loyalty with Raritanium and recruited them for his own personal army. I couldn't say, really. Probably to steal their technology. All his ships, his enforcers, even the nanotech combat armor he gave the Drothids, are all made using stolen Lombax technology. I am sorry. My memory bank seemed to have been damaged in the crash. The last thing I remember was laying down suppressive fire over the court of Azimuth.
Court of Azimuth. Remember that.
Of course. I am equipped with an HD47 optical holoscreen. Hop in.
Azimuth will appear in the last game.
Mad for mayhem, crave carnage, adore destruction? Well, today is your lucky day. You have been invited to participate, witness the greatest, bloodiest, goriest battle in the universe, the Imperial Fight Festival. Rated M for mature. Come on down to Planet Mukau and enjoy a night of entertainment without any ulterior motives or deception. Offer only valid for fuzzy, long-eared orphans and their tiny robotic companions.
That sounded like Captain Quark.
Which means it's probably a trap. But it's our only lead. Let's go see what he's gotten himself into.
Cerulean sector. Planet's Macau.